purpose of the event is thinking. The purpose of the event is learning.
Readmagine is one of the key meeting points for the book industry.
From all over Europe, we have people representing authors, agents, all in one room in a very intimate setting. The best feeling.
We've also got time to socialize, to build that human connection.
See old friends, different generations.
Practical, interesting, and people have takeaways from it.
A highly professional crowd of decision makers who need to be open
And to find new and inspirational ways of seeing the work that we all do every day in publishing.